Hey, what's going on, my friends? This is Tasche, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $5 to $10 every day with InboxDollars, and how to do that without having any referrals at all. Now, first of all, before we continue on, if you're not a member of InboxDollars yet, I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can go and click that link and get signed up. In fact, when you sign up, you're going to get an extra $5 added to your account to get you started. So, how do you make $5 to $10 every day with InboxDollars, and how do you do that without having any referrals? Well, in order to do that, we first need to talk about the different formats of the InboxDollars website. See, we have two formats. You have the regular website, which you access on your desktop or your laptop, and then we have the mobile application. Now, for this strategy, we need to use the desktop version of the website. And the reason why is because the offers, which is what we're going to be doing to make this $5 to $10 per day, the offers are different on the mobile app and on the desktop version. Okay, so once you get signed up and you're all logged in, what you want to do is come over here to where it says offers, and then click on where it says 100% free offers. Basically, what we're going to do to make $5 to $10 per day is you're going to be completing as many offers as you can on this page here. And I personally like to do the free offers, okay? So you're going to find all these here are free to complete. Now, some will take a little bit longer than others to do, but you should be able to do at least 5 to 10 offers within like an hour or so, maybe 2 hours at the most, and make $5 to $10 per day. All you do is you find an offer you want to complete. I personally like to start off at the top right here and hover over the offer, and then this pop-up window will show. It's going to give you details of what the offer is, and it will give you any specific instructions that you need to follow in order to be credited properly. Once that happens, you can click on where it says complete offer. That's going to open the offer in a new window, and then all you do is you follow the steps. Okay. For example, right now it's going to check qualification status. Okay, it's approved to enter. So this one here specifically asks for an email address to start off with, and then you click enter to win, and then you're going to follow the different steps. You just need to make sure you complete the entire offer before you exit out, or else you won't be credited. Then what's going to happen is you're going to get an email from InboxDollars when you've been credited. So, for example, let's go ahead and complete an offer here, guys. So let's go ahead and complete this one. So I got my email address in here. I'm going to click enter to win. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and put a different email address in here. Enter. And then I'm going to got my information here. Click continue. Continue again. And then enter in my birth date. Like I said, each offer is going to ask for different information. So they're not all going to be the same, but a lot of them are going to be similar. So once you start getting used to how these offers work, you'll get faster at them. Click enter. And then for this one, this is going to take you through a survey. And basically what this one is, this is going to ask you different questions, and the answers to your questions depend upon what kind of offers you're going to get in your email. So I'm just going to go ahead real quick and complete this offer, complete this survey. Let's do. And honestly, these offers are really easy to complete. They're really simple. And like I said, each of these questions is going to determine what kind of offers you're going to get in your email. So going to finish all this real quick. I'm just going through this real quick to get, I'm not really got to pay attention to these questions. I'm just going through this real quick for this example. Just for the purpose of making this video a lot faster than it should, make it as long as it needs to be. Okay, now with this one, I just confirm and continue. And once I've completed my actual qualifications for this offer, which I already have, okay, the rest of this stuff is extra stuff. What's going to happen is, depending upon the offer, it will take either a few minutes, maybe a couple hours. Some offers will take a few days to credit. But once that's done, I'll have $250 additional added to my InboxDollars account. Okay, so guys, really easy, real simple. Again, if you're not part of InboxDollars yet, click the link down below to get signed up. You'll start off with a $5 credit, okay, and then go ahead into the onto the website, the desktop version, and go to the free offers and complete as many free offers each day as you can. And when you do that, you're going to be making $5 to $10 every day doing free offers, which is going to equal to approximately $150 to $300 a month from InboxDollars, and that's without having referrals. Okay, and of course, it also is going to depend upon what kind of offers they have available. But they're getting new offers in here all the time, so there's no reason why you can't make $5 to $10 every single day. Okay, so that, guys, Kurt. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out for my other videos on InboxDollars and other free ways to make money online from home. With that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Have an awesome day. Bye.